In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between light and dark, so the interface matches your comfort and style, whether you're working during the day or at night. Let's start by opening your Gemini account. This simply means launching Gemini on your device and getting to the main screen where you usually start your chats. Changing the theme only affects how things look. It won't change any of your content or settings beyond appearance, so you can explore this safely. Next, look for Settings. In most versions of Gemini, Settings is represented by a small gear icon. On desktop, you'll typically find it in the upper corner or along the sidebar. On mobile, it might be inside the menu or under your profile. Go ahead and click or tap Settings to open the panel where display and preference options live. If the layout looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. Settings is always the place you want. Inside Settings, locate the option labeled Theme. This is the control that manages how bright or dark the interface appears. Select Theme to open the available choices. Now you'll see two options, Light and Dark. Light gives you a brighter background with dark text, which many people find clean and easy to read in well-lit environments. Dark flips that relationship, using darker backgrounds with lighter text. Dark mode can reduce glare in low light, can feel gentler on the eyes in the evening, and may help some devices save a bit of battery. Neither option changes your content, it's purely visual, so choose what feels best for your eyes and your workflow. Go ahead and select the one you prefer. The change should apply immediately across your Gemini interface, including menus, chat panels, and buttons. Take a moment to scroll or navigate a bit to see how it looks in action. If you want to switch back, you can return to Settings, open Theme again, and pick the other option. There's no penalty for changing your mind as often as you like. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, head into Settings, choose Theme, and select Light or Dark. It's a quick tweak that can make a big difference in comfort, focus, and visibility throughout your day. If you work in different lighting conditions, you might revisit this setting from time to time to keep things easy on your eyes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new theme in Gemini.